Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss about how to uh, presentation of view orientation. Today I will discuss about view orientation because view orientation it means different views showing properly bottom view, top view, right view, isometric view, side back view, front back view, different types of view presentation today I will discuss about. So when I get, first of all, create the extruded box here. When I taken this box right now, here the box, when I select this box and here select box. Now I will go to create here. This is create in rectangle for top view. When look at this here, make this top view. When I get the provide distance here, so de-enter, then I will provide the distance is 500 and also provide the 500. So here make this rectangle box here, simple box. Now look at this Soyu box. They are converted the 3D model, but this is only for show the top view. When I go to make the view here, view orientation, today I will discuss about view orientation. So when I go to view here, this is view orientation right now. When I enter the view orientation, here right now top view, right, this is top view, this is bottom view, left, right, front, back, isometric. When I get the isometric view, look at here, this box will can change from this isometric view here. Now this is box here, making here this simple line command is showing here. But when I go to solid body, so we are move right now, we are move in here home page, just go for now look at this here view and enter this wireframe. So when enter the wireframe, then select this shaded view. So it is convert from solid part. Look at this. When I looking this view here, first of all, when I show you the view, we are going to view here. This is the view orientation right now. Then I show you top view. This is called top view. Then also I will go from bottom view. So this is bottom view right now. Then same thing, I will go to left view, then also right view. Then again show you here front view, it is called front view. Then also again show you back view. Then I will go to isometric view, solid isometric view. This is called isometric view. Then again show you trimetric, and this is the different metrics of AutoCAD. So when I go to show you isometric view, here the isometric view, then I will go to make the any rectangle here. So first of all, make this box, create this box here in any view. So when I get, they are not the identify how much which plane you have to draw. So when first of all go to view here and select this view and top view selection. Then also I will go to make the any rectangle here. When select this home page and go to any cylinder and cone, sphere, whatever, I get the cylinder here, and I have go to draw design for cylinder and particular radius. I will give the 250 radius. Then they are asking how much distance we are going to. So when I go to a view here, 3D isometric view, so when I get this, first of all, when I create the cylinder here, this is make cylinder, then asking how much radius. So when I first of all create the 250 mm radius, then how much distance we are going. So 500. So like that 500. When I want to go to change here distance, so click this line, click this one for body here. So when I get the click this line, this particular line, I have go to click in change for particular here the rectangle color. When I get change color green here, then also I will get change the distance 350, and again show you their distance is 700, 750. So it's like that easy way of change for modeling color. Then also I get change here the click this line, and here the change for color. So when I get color right now magenta, it's a both of us change in one time in this both color. Then I want get the individual change for color. So this is green here, and change the values easily to define this 3D modeling AutoCAD. When I get the change for color, and here the change particular length 500, it's like that. Second thing I will get provide 300 and also provide 600. So this is change for button easily for 3D AutoCAD. And I get move when I show you the view presentation, view orientation. When I get the view here and I show you top view like that, and I get front view, so this is called front view. When also I get isometric view, so this is called isometric view. So it is very easy to create in any object in AutoCAD 3D modeling. Here we can see that different view. I want get the right view, so this is called right view. It's become for background. Then we will go to move easily. When I get the isometric view, I want get move in this particular body. So when I get the selection and M enter, then I want get the move in some distance. So here you can see that whatever anywhere you get the move here, this is easily move. When I get the copy right now, so when I get copy here also same body is get the copy in different position right now. So it is here. So it's a very easy form to copy and delete for any body here. Okay, so like that, this is here view presentation in AutoCAD, view orientation in AutoCAD. So thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe.